Hello everyone. Okay, so as we were doing the chapter number 4 of our class 8 history, tribals, Dikus, and the vision of a golden age. So in this chapter, we were on the topic some took to settle cultivation. Okay, so we are going to cover this whole topic in this video. So basically, some took to settle cultivation is this heading itself explains what is in this whole topic. Basically, the tribal people gradually converted themselves into settled cultivators or settled agriculturers. Okay, this happened gradually. When did it happen? It happened before 19th century. Before 19th century, remember. Okay, so basically, how this process was going on. Tribal people got interest in agriculture and became settled agriculturers, and they didn't have any land outside the forest. And for agriculture, they can't do agriculture in the forests as there are so many trees. How can they do that, right? So that is why they have to come outside the forest, and there they randomly picked some land and they started cultivation over that land and settled there. Okay, now as the society would have no issues with that, so they also got rights over that land. Secondly, they also started becoming as the started knowing as the or regarding as the descendants of the original settlers of that land, because nobody knows who were the original settlers of that land. So and they were cultivating from such a long time, so they were gradually known as the descendants of that land. Now, what is descendant? Descendant means basically the successor or the one who gets land from their ancestors. So, of course, they didn't have any ancestors. So, from their ancestors were living also in forest and were also tribal people. So, how can they do that? That is why this thing happened. Now, second thing comes that I'll explain you. I'll tell you some example of this, an example of this situation, that the Mundas tribes of Chota Nagpur, the Mundas tribe of Chota Nagpur. Okay, this exactly was done by Mundas tribe of Chota Nagpur. We know where it is, where Chota Nagpur is. It is in Bihar. We have already learned about in last chapter. It was in Bihar at that time. Okay, so Mundas of Chota Nagpur followed this thing and they became the descendants of the land they were used to practice cultivation. Now, as agriculture was going on and a lot of tribal people also became powerful, and a lot of also got disadvantages with it and also got advantages with it. So in this topic we are going to cover the advantages only. So lot of tribal men became the powerful men. Okay, the powerful men, and in a particular clan the powerful men were considered as the chiefs. Okay, they clan members make any powerful men or in their the most powerful men in their clan, they make them as the chief of the clan. And of course, if there is a chief, there will be followers of the chief also in among the clan people. Okay, so this is how things were going. And secondly, that powerful chief men used, they don't cultivate their own land, they used to put their land on rent. Okay, so that other people will cultivate it and give them money. This is how they used to earn money. Now Britishers thought, it was a thinking of Britishers, that tribes like Mundas, Gonds, and Santhals. Gonds and Santhals were the tribes of central India, we know, in Madhya Pradesh. So these tribes were also did the same like Mundas. So these tribes were considered as the more civilized and the more. So Britishers considered these people, these tribes, more civilized than the tribal community still means currently at that time was still practicing shifting cultivation or hunting gatherings in the forests. So they used to consider those people, tribal people in the forests, as savage or wild or untamed men, and they needs to be civilized or settled. So it was a thinking of Britishers, and they also pressurized those people to change their lifestyles and to change their living standards. And this is why it is also in the British rule was known as colonial rule. So this was all in this topic. If you got any doubt, please mention in the comment section. If you and to watch further videos, please check on the Historia.